it up there, no man. And into that, what call man, pan me say, me, the pan, and Ray, I fight me because me I do things when can't do no jealous. Yes, I'm blood that bad man, right? And I look me enemy them pan me down.
Yo, the Natty no easy, you know, man. Natty no like, Natty can start his own show. His name, Make Me Laugh. RJR used to have a radio show like that in the morning. Make Me Laugh. And Dean Samuels used to tell one joke in the morning, or Alan Samuel. I remember. But anyways, we're going to continue watch.
The man will feed me and he not charge me. Me have to spend more time with him. Yes. Come run down this fucking paper and then when me have it, me confused. I don't know what to take it by. You hear about pick, choose and confuse? Yes, sir, that it costs. Have the money and even know where to take it by. If you have the things them in your position, you're nice. You don't have to think where you go for. You know, and I heard everything come out and brother. I heard produce everything, you know, man, right? Yes, so. I am sick of saying, well, I am cancer one bag of shit, we kill them blood clot, you know. I heard this, you know. Yeah, I know, man, did. I heard said, torture them. Torture him too. Before we kill him. Because you're going to get tears caught into your blood clot work, yeah, boy? Yes. So I heard blind some, you know, and dumb some. Hey, some cripple. Hey, when you look, my rascal, you get tears caught into your work, all right? My pay wasn't so bad because here's me for dead in a rasta. Here's and him saying nah take me back. Do not make him turn your back again. Say yeah, let's get fucked. Yeah boy? Wild man a plan. Earth a wipe out. Who hurt bless? No one curse. While I do a lock, earth open another one. Learn that.
Peanut Dread and his theories. You look, listen, and you shall learn. I guess, I don't know, a sense or nonsense Peanut Dread attack. Where Bible say by this Twitter, your bro, you shall reap. Hey, and we always say, you reap where you sow. But by Peanut Dread theory, why some good people die young? You get me I say? And why some evil people live out the time that they were promised, which is 71, I remember, which is 75 years, I think. Never go check your Bible. Don't quote me upon that one day. Anyways, a Peanut Dread take. What's your take? Tell me in the comment section. Let's continue watching.
I man love woman in a natty. What me say? Me is the one man where love woman so much that I wouldn't give them anything natty, right? But no, I know I would still give them. Although my experience say, man alone I love woman. No, woman love man for what the man possess and what they can get. No, man alone I love woman body. Will pay her light bill, water rate, house rent. If you don't fall, you're on your own.
You get where you don't get.
These people recognize man by favors and by what man possess. Right? Oh yes. That what me take my eyes and see. Cause I would sorry for a woman and I would sympathetic with her if she has suffered, right? And has her, that's what happened to me, right? And she come with an intention. She come to see what she can get. She don't come to build me and to give me on top of what me have. She come to see what that is the love me getting by what me possess and what she can get. But she never come to really love me. She come to love, she's a opportunist, right? She come to love what she can get from me. And I never love her for what me can get from her.
Yeah, but in
me love her to help her.
But I know every woman stays so still. All of them stay so. I know every woman stays.
Look.
And not every woman stays so. Some women are, of course, they're gonna have the exception to the rule. Just like not every man kind and not every man a provider, you're gonna have the exception to the rule. Some man are dependent. They look woman for mind them. They are the exception to the rule. The rule is men take care of women. You get me, I say? But in truth and in fact, men, and this is my opinion now, men love you truly. Men love unconditionally. Women love with condition or conditionally. Because as a man, you will love her for just who she is. As a woman, she will love you. Woman will love man for who he is too. But making can't provide for her. How long is she gonna stick with him? Be honest, ladies. Be honest. So really and truly, you know, love on a condition. A man provide for you, and as soon as he get broke or he might have one downfall or hardship reach him, you start getting bun. Or you left him for your next man. I truth. But anyways, and everybody stay so. Some of you women are good women, exception to the rules, just like some man are crablows, them are exception to the rule. Anyways, this video is courtesy of Peanut Dread. I'm gonna put the link to this video so you can watch the full thing. Like a video for me, please. Share the video, please. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and stay safe. God bless.
No, God same name one we know about life and death either, right? See, when called Adam and Eve story now. Now, Adam alone was in the garden for hunting a years, you know. I hope the father, you know. The father said now, he want some people again to help him in the hurt, and the only way is to take half of Adam's ribs and make this woman. When he met the woman, he left the woman side of Adam and tell the woman, say, don't go over there, so. Adam did it and live by that rules and regulations over the years. And hear what the man say and don't go over there now. And he met the woman, you know, and tell the woman, say, don't go over there now. And the woman said the only way to know why make God say enough to go over there is to go over there. Me bumbo clad. And you see going go? No. You hear the man say a senior. Did fuck her. Senior can't fuck woman, not the man cocky. Then call senior. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come remember, you know, it's real out, you know.
Yeah.
And when they done it really in back.
Yeah.
Good. So then call the favor senior, you know. Good. And you don't know what happened. The girl left and crossed the border and go over there.